welcome back to my channel everybody. So in this video, this is again an unboxing video. So now this time HP has given us this HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2676. Last time previously we got the 2622, this time we got the 2676. So this is a much high version and this is in navy blue color. So it's telling us that affordable printing from your mobile devices, as it tells, and it's wireless, print, scan, copy. It tells which cartridge model we have to use here. Then it shows us some specifications on the right and on the left side, and then up you have QR code so you can scan. It tells us what do we have in the box. I'll just keep the box somewhat like this so that it will be easy to read. And yeah, so you have a cartridge replacement and all those things. You get a USB cable included. Setup cartridges, setup cartridge, and internet connection is required to set up the printer. Software and DVD are there, but I have already taken it out because while HP told me to, before I take the delivery of this printer, to check it and then only take it. So it tells us where it will work. So it works with Mac OS 10.12, Windows 10, Windows Vista, Windows XP as well, and mobile devices, that is iOS, Android. That's all. So I'll just quickly show you what type of drivers you need to install for this. So this is again a part of HP Deskjet 2600 series, where you get this CD wherein it has all the drivers. It works with Windows XP and Vista 32-bit, 7, 8, 8.1 and 10, version 43.2. It's compatible with OS X and all those stuff. You can scan this barcode if you want more information. So you just can open this, and this will be needed when we'll be installing the drivers on our computer. So I'm not going to make a setup video because that's a bit of a tedious job setting up a printer, because last printer I had some tough time setting up a printer. So now let's open the box without wasting any more further time here.
So that's what I have a cutter over here, and carefully and just open.
So the setup cartridge is only loaded, nor I have taken any sort of print. So I'll just open the box because the taping is pretty tight. Yeah. So I have just opened this.
And if you can see, you can see a printer from the edges. So if you want any sort of support, you can take it. Yeah, then you open it like this. So you get this typical power adapter cable that's needed to power your printer. So that's pretty much normal enough cable that you need. So I'll just keep this aside. Now this is the USB cable that one will go on your printer on the computer, so you can install that using this by going to 123.com.
And this is a cardboard that you don't need. Yeah, sorry for that noise. So if you can see, here is the main printer, and let's take it out without wasting any further more time. So I'll just remove it and then I'll continue the video. So yes guys, now I have removed my printer out. So again, the basic, you will get this in, but I already removed while I just did a check that if all the products are safe and sound.
So you can see like this, you can see this go one scan this code, now let's use my app.
Which is this. So which is this app. So you can go in Play Store and just install it, or you just can go and scan this. So you can go and take the app from there, and then you can read this material if you want. It's first is in English, then there's in Germany or Czech, I think so, I'm not really sure, and there's in Thai. So this is how you have to start with your cartridge, all the stuff, and then it has the basic paperwork what it basically tells us. So again, we don't need that. So you get this thermocol. You just have to remove that thermocol, because if it not remove, you can't use it. Yeah, you can't access it. So I'll just remove this. Yeah, that's what. So after you have taken out everything, you can see that it's a complete blue and a white mixture. So let's start with the overhead hardware parts. This is the proper buttons from where you will be using it to function your printer. That's the power button, the cancel button, the resume and the paper load button. Then there is the wireless button, information, color print or color scan and color, and black and white color and Xerox, black and white Xerox and print. This is the tray where you will be loading your paper. Now this is a place where you have a feature of setting your paper. Now this is according to a paper, you can set this. So again, nice. And here you have two ports. One is for the USB port and one is for the power. So I'll just check with the power cable. I already have one, so I think it should work fine. Yeah, it goes in. You just have to switch on. Yeah, and cartridge will be here. You just have to open this drawer, and this lid wherein you can see that cartridges will be inside, and this is the extendable tray. Yeah, so now I'll just click power button. So not print anything for now because the printer is loading. It will take some time, and for the first 2 hours this printer will be in the setup mode.
So you'll hear some noises.
Done. So now this tells us that the wireless range is on, and this orange light tells us that there is no paper loaded. The moment you load the paper, you will be good to go. So now this is a scanner area wherein you can Xerox, you can scan all the stuff, and here also you can see it's HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2676 print, scan and copy. So now if you buy this, I'll give a link in the description box below. Yeah, so while you open, you see that this is the cartridge here. So this is the black and white and this is the tricolor. You have to put it on the left, the tricolor, and the black and white on the right. If you have another printer company or another printer model which tells something else, then it varies. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please do like this video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in our next one. Till then, bye bye, and stay tuned, and I'll review this printer after I use it, and you will even get an alignment print where if you have completed printing 5 pages, or you can print it using your computer. Bye bye, stay tuned.